Hi kindergarten, you will need your reader's notebook and open to page 51, 5-1. So when you open to the page 51, first I want you to write your name at the top where it says name, like we do every time. And then we're going to be practicing the letter A and C, the beginning sounds of A and C. So as always, we see the letter A, and we are going to first trace the letter A, right? First trace it. We're going to start. You can start at the top or bottom. I'm going to start at the bottom and go up to the top, go back to the bottom, and cross in the middle. And for the lowercase a, I'm going to make a circle as best as I can on here, and then put a stick on the side. I hope yours looks a little better than mine. Again, here's another way. We can start at the top, go to the bottom with a straight line, go back to the top and go to a straight line, and cross in the middle. For the lowercase a, we're going to go below the dotted line, go up and around, make a circle, and a stick on the side. C, let's trace the C. Trace the C with your pencil, the big C, which is called uppercase, and the lower C right there. Good. Next, we're going to make our own C. So start at the top, go to the bottom line, and curve back up. Lowercase, always below the dotted line. Then you go below the dotted line and curve back up. Good job. All right, let's look at these pictures. This is a alligator. Alligator. So we are going to put, what do we hear at the beginning? Ah, and that's an A. So we're going to write the letter A, capital, again, hoping yours looks better than mine, and a lowercase a. Good. This is a candle. Candle. What do I hear? I hear a C. So I'm going to make a capital C, starting at the top, go down and around and up, and a lower C. Good. Now what do I see here? I see a cup. And that is a C also. So we're going to go ahead and make a capital C and a lowercase c. Good job. This is an axe. I hear A, so I'm going to go ahead and make a capital C. I'm sorry, A, oops, capital A for axe, and a lowercase a. And then a whole circle with a stick beside it. These are a picture of an ant. And that's correct. You put your capital A and your lowercase a. And next I see a camera. I hear a C. So go ahead and make a capital C and lowercase c. And when you are finished with that, you're right. Go ahead and post it on Seesaw and close it and put it away. Good job. Thank you.